be back here again, and not only on behalf of the ATS, but on a very special relationship that I've had the privilege of having here at Chiang Mai University for now almost 17 years.
Our Faculty of Medicine Chiang Mai University proud to be the host of this program with the distinguished group of the professionals come here and join and gather together.
Our aim is to provide valuable knowledge and practical insights for the surgeons around Thailand to take back all this knowledge for their daily practice.
I think when the AATS Foundation comes to an international setting, it's a bi-directional educational forum. Not only do we share our knowledge with the attendees at the programs, but we learn so much from the way things are done in a different institution under maybe different settings. But one of the benefits of that is they have to find ways to work around some of the simplicities we have developed because of our financial support, and the way we can sort of get the same job done.
This program will help improve our surgeons, especially those young surgeons who have to come from every part of Thailand.
This training, I have see a lot of case or procedure that maybe we can improve our ability or skill to make us better in the future.
I think this is a great opportunity to learn the surgical technique and surgical skill from the experts. I wish I would apply this to my patient for make it a better outcome in my institute.
It is very good chance for me to cross up expert.
Lots of case is a mitral valve repair and Ross procedure as a complex procedure in Thailand. I think it's a great opportunity to see the complex procedure like that.
You see, during this just 2 days, we organized 8 live cases in varieties of problem cases, and now we got the chance to not just to see how the problem being solved by the master.
You sort of learn and watch how these expert surgeons actually make decisions and how they weigh the pros and cons in deciding what to do. And I think understanding that, I suspect, will be the most important aspect, because that you can apply to anything, and you build up critical thinking and good decision making, then you can expand it to all aspects of your care.